planting a garden.
You can go golfing right now.
How do you feel about our new investment?
Goats?
Here. Hi.
Matt, go away. I'm serious. Matt, get out.
Hi. No, this is the time you get it.
It's like going, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. It ran away. How do you feel about the deer sighting?
Can you stop it? Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's crazy, Noah.
Do you want some ice cream?
Hi! You're having quite the issues.
Aneurysms. It's some majestic shit going.
What do you like to drink in the morning time?
I usually drink like a dish of like spaghetti or something.
He's got a Christmas tree on his minivan.
The guy over there?
Yeah.
What a fucking idiot. Spinach change, anybody?
Quiet down out there.
I'm pulling girls off the bench like a
Dad, can we go to Bertucci's?
No!
Dad, can we go to Denny's?
Stop it!
Security.
Dude, I'll chase him around this fucking parking lot.
I actually hope the mall security comes over here. Should we have alternate personalities when he comes over here?
A film crew for the new MTV hit series, Hoodie and the Blowfish.
No, that's a fucking... Yeah, B3 Performance on MTV.
You're Slick Steve and I'm Hot Rod Harry from B3 Speed.
Some B3 Productions. Steve and Harry here from B3 Productions. How's it going?
Oh, you're filming? This is our new hit TV show. Why'd you just stretch your face out again?
Because
Steve, you're getting weird.
I know, it's my
Steve,
ear.
why are you getting weird?
I lost hearing in this ear.
Steve.
The plush leather interior. The bulldog for accents.
I mean, that's all we do here at B3 Performance.
B3 Performance. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's MySpace, Club Penguin. Oh wait, never mind, they went up. So here we got the rock stars.
To enable the fast recovery time of cornering.
They've got some high performance treading right here. We actually cut that with our CNC mill. Especially this 4.8 under the hood right here.
It's a lot of power pushing to these 20s here. These are 20 by 12s. They have a positive 15-inch offset. You get fingerprints on the customer's wheels.
Oh shit.
Applied us with this beautiful microfiber.
I see you installed these nice billet custom aluminum, stainless steel, tungsten alloy bits right here.
Yeah.
Do those have a Hastelloy plating on them too?
Yep. How to do it.
Microsoft really stepped it up in this. Now these are actually Windows 10 powered wheels. I would check these out at www.aolmail.com. That's it now for folks. That sums it up. B3 Productions. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, MySpace, Candyland.com, MySpace, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.
Later, guys.
Later, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Brian.
Yes, sir.
What's your outlook on the fact that President Trump does not want Americans immigrating into the U.S.?
It's a pretty logical system that he's running. You know, it's a pretty factual statement that he's backing up there, because you know we are like the #1 candidate. So I mean I fully support the idea. I just I don't think it's right.
The trees, the wall. How do you feel about that President Trump is building a wall? You think that'll make him? You think that the wall will? Do you think that the too much resources from the U.S.?
I mean, yeah, that's a lot of imported goods. You know, that's something that would probably be in debt for a while. I mean, you could always reproduce. You know, it's a cycle of life, really.
Fuck!
Put some music on.
Rebuilding a Polaris RZR 900 XP motor for a customer. The oil pan off. It looks fine in here, I would say. Right?
Yeah, just probably didn't have an oil change quite a little bit.
I mean, there's just a little. There's going to be some remnants of metals in the oil, like this. You know, like you're going to have a couple of stray ones in the motor, but overall, this thing looks pretty good inside, I'd say.
I'd say let's dig in some more and we'll keep them updated.
Yeah, we'll keep updated. Yeah, so that's how you take off your. I've never rebuilt one of these myself, so I don't really know.
Yeah.
I'm having Harry over here explain it. So.
Yeah, this is actually the first for me too. So.
Oh really?
Yeah, this customer's gonna be pretty satisfied when we're done.
So why did you tell him that we're experienced and been doing this for 30 years?
That's just business, man.
So what do we got here?
This is your transmission fluid pump.
So what do we got here? All right, we're taking. Woohoo!
That's your main drive gear.
So this is your main drive gear, really?
All the balls are still good, see? Business is business. Take this screw out real quick and I'll check the manual. Page 10 is telling me there's probably more screws in it.
I don't know, check the manual again.
There's a screw right here. Hang on. I just had to.
Oh, good thing you checked the manual for that. Wait, what'd you just do?
Harrison.
Harry?
I pooped.
We're filming.
I know.
Fucking
Sorry.
making some progress here. So country. So country. 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 Country.